Hi guys, this is Shashi and welcome to my channel Fear Not English. Today I am going to teach you present perfect continuous tense and the use of prepositions since and for. So please keep watching till the end. At first I am going to explain the structure of present perfect continuous tense. Helping verbs used in present perfect continuous tense are have been and has been depending upon the subject. Main verb is verb 4 or present participle form of the verb, which means ing form of the verb. Syntax or the structure of an assertive sentence in present perfect continuous tense is subject followed by have been or has been depending upon the subject plus verb 4 plus object. Object is not compulsory. The first example is I have been playing since afternoon, and the second example is he has been trying for years. In the first example, the subject is I, which is first person singular with which have been is used. In the second sentence, the subject is he, which is third person singular with which has been is used. If the subject is third person singular, has been is used, and apart from third person singular with all other subjects have been is used. To know the rules of different tenses, we must have acquaintance with the table of personal pronouns. Here is the table, you can watch. Now use of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which began in the past and is still continuing. First example, she has been reading since morning. It means she started reading in the morning and is still reading now. Second example, I have been walking for an hour. It means the action of walking started an hour before and is still continuing now. Now there is an important note. To indicate time, preposition since or for is used. Since denotes start time of an action, for indicates total amount of time of an action. The construction workers have been repairing the bridge since July. Here preposition since is used, which indicates the start time of an action, which is July. It means the workers started their work in July. We have been traveling by bus for 2 days. Here preposition for is used. It does not indicate the start time, but the total amount of time of an action. It means the work has been continuing for 2 days. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Your subscription is an inspiration for me to make new videos.